Okay, all of you start solving this problem. So this is the first problem which we are going to see. This is which is related to the motion, equations of motion by graphical method, graphical representation of motion. So let me see who will say now. What type of motion is represented by OA? Please, anybody you can speak. What type of motion is represented by OA? OA. Like this you see increasing. What is this? Remember the graph. If you are drawing like this increasing, so what is that here? So here first you see that y-axis is speed and x-axis is time. So that it is what? Increasing acceleration. Is it yes or no? Is it yes or no? Tell me.
Sir.
Now, from if you'll observe, what type of motion is represented by AB? AB, if you'll observe, I have taught you speed and time. When it is going constantly, then what we can say? It is constant speed. Means in the sense of acceleration is what? Acceleration is equals to what? Tell me, Ra. 0 meter per second square. Is it yes or no? Acceleration is equals to 0 meter per second square. So now because it is constant speed or else uniform speed, so that here acceleration is 0. Now same way if you'll observe, what type of motion is represented by BC? BC is what? You have to speak, you have to communicate with me. What type of motion? B and C, B to C, what type of motion, Pradosh? Tamil Selvan? What type of motion from B to C? B to C, decreasing acceleration, correct or not? So the uniform decreasing acceleration also we used to called as retardation. What we used to call? Retardation. Understand, Ra? If you are not speaking, then what is the use of this? It is increasing acceleration. It is constant zero acceleration. It is decreasing or retardation. Now you see, find out the acceleration of the body. Please, all of you find what is the acceleration. Acceleration means this is. Find it, all of you. Acceleration of the body. Start finding, all of you. You observe here. 6 meter per second. Initial is 0 and initial time is 0 and final time is 4. Then you can observe. So what is the acceleration formula? Final velocity minus initial velocity divided by time. So now you can take care. So now what is the final velocity? Final velocity is 6 minus initial velocity is 0 divided by, you can take, understanding, initial time, final time is 4 minus initial time is 0. So now how much it is? Solve it, all of you. What is this here? Nobody is responding. So this is the acceleration increasing. They are asking you to find the acceleration. So 0 time to reach here is how much, Ra? 4. And this is the speed which is equals to 6 meter per second. So now what is the acceleration? Acceleration is equals to, what is the formula? Final velocity minus initial velocity divided by time. So now even time also you can take final time minus initial time. So final velocity is 6 meter per second minus initial velocity is 0 meter per second divided by time is equals to 4 seconds. So if we'll do this, 6 minus 0, 6 divided by 4 meter per second square will come. Now 6 by 4 means what? 2 2s are 2 3s are, which is equals to 3 by 2 meter per second square. So 3 by 2 means how much, Ra? 3 by 2 means how much? 1.5 meter per second square is the acceleration of the body. Uniform acceleration.
1.5.
1.5 meter per second square is the acceleration of the body. Is it yes or no, all of you? Now,
Yes, sir.
about this, then same way, what is the next question you see? They are asking calculate the retardation of the body. So where is retardation? Here 0 acceleration. From A to B, 0 acceleration. So we cannot find. Now B to C you do it. So B to C, what you will do? B to C, retardation. So you can check the timing again. So again retardation means, retardation they are asking. So what is the speed? Initial velocity is 6, final velocity is 0 and initial time is 10, final velocity is 16. So now go for reverse, understand? So reverse they are asking. So retardation. retardation. So retardation also they are saying that 10 seconds and it is 16 seconds. So speed is 6 meter per second, 0 meter per second. So again, what is the retardation formula also? Same. So acceleration equals to final velocity minus initial velocity divided by time taken, which is equals to, what is the final velocity? Reaches to 0. So 0 minus, what is the initial velocity? 6 meter per second divided by time is equals to how much, Ra? 16 minus 10, which is equals to minus 6 meter per second divided by 4 seconds. Divided by 4 seconds. So 2 2s are 2 3s are, which is equals to retardation equals to, sorry, acceleration is equals to minus 3 by 2 meter per second square. So if you are writing acceleration, we should write what? Minus. So minus 1.5 meter per second square. Or while you are writing retardation, then we don't need to represent minus. So retardation equals how much, Ra? Retardation equals to 1.5 meter per second square. You understand or not, all of you? Any doubt, you can ask me. Completed?
Sir, I have one doubt, sir.
Ask me, Tamil Selvan.
Sir, you have minus 16 minus 10. How you got, sir, 14?
Oh, sorry, wrong ray. Minus 6, Ra. Sorry. 6 ray, this is. Sorry for this one. Very good. So 6. So 6 by 6. So 6 by 6, how much, Ra? Minus 1. Is it yes or no? Minus 1 or 1 meter per second square. Is it okay, Tamil Selvan? Very good, sir, Tamil Selvan. Thank you. So 16 minus 10?
Yes, sir.
6. So minus 6 divided by 6. So minus 1 will come. So minus 1 meter per second square. Or we can call it as 1 meter per second square if we are writing as retardation. Is it any doubt? You can ask me. Anybody having any doubt? Solve it, all of you. Mamanish, you understand or not? Alana, Laksha? Now, if you'll understand this, then you can solve next question. So last question is there. What is the distance traveled? They are asking. So distance traveled means how to find the distance. Any idea? Anybody you speak? How to find the distance in this graph? How to find the distance? They are asking find out the distance traveled by the body from A to B. They are asking means particularly from this point to this point. So it is looks like a what you see. It is looks like a what? It is looks like a square, correct or not? So find the distance traveled by a body. They are asking. So how to find the distance, Ra? If you want to find the distance, what I said, just you have to find the area of that body. That's all. So in this area, whatever it is there, you find it. So area 4 to 10, how much it is? 6. You take it. And this is how much? 0 to 6. This is 6. That's all. So what is the distance traveled from A to B? Distance traveled is equals to what? From A to B. From A to B, if you'll observe, distance traveled equals to what is the formula? Speed into time. So speed is equals to how much, Ra? Speed is equals to 6 meter per second into time is equals to 4 become 10 means 6 seconds. So 6 seconds. Second will get cancelled, which is equals to the distance traveled is equals to 6 are 36 meters. If you are getting this answer, you are correct. Do it, all of you. Distance traveled is equals to 36 meters. You understand or not?
Understood, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, solve it. Now let me see who will calculate. Find the total distance traveled by a body. Only A to B.
Sir, can you?
What am I?
Sir, can you show the screen again?
Can I just share the screen?
Yes,
Okay.
sir. Just
Now.
a second.
So they have not given the question, but let it be. E after what will come? A, B, C, D, E, F, G. G question you take it. Find the total distance traveled by a body from O to A to B, as well as B to C. For total distance, let me see who will calculate first. Do it fast. So total distance means what we should calculate here. One triangle, another triangle, another triangle. So 3 sums. Calculate the area of this one, this one, this one. This one already we have found it. Now calculate the area of this one and this one. If you'll do add, you will get the total distance traveled by a body. So all of you do that. I have displayed the graph also. Do it. I am giving you 2 minutes time. Find the individual areas and if you do the sum, you will get the total distance traveled by a body from 0 to C. Do it fast, all of you.
Chair at the support. ఇప్పుడైనా నా దగ్గర 1 పేజ్ ఇక్కడే ఉంటుంది.
What is the answer? Tell me. Arey yaar, what is there? Is it difficult thing? You can easily calculate, correct? So this is the graph they are saying. So already area of this square you have calculated, which is equals to 36 meter. 36. The distance you have calculated. Now this is what? Actually 0, 6, and this is 4. 4, 10. Now that's all. This is, let me calculate now. So what is the area of this triangle? First, let me imagine S1 is equals to. So half into BH. Is it yes or no? Base is equals to how much? 4 into. Height is equals to how much? 6. Plus, second one, this is how much? 6 into 6. Plus, because, yeah, side into side. This one also same thing. Half into base equals to 6 into height equals to 6. That's all. Start doing now. So 2 1s are 2 4, 2 2s are. So 2 6 are how much? 12 plus 6 6 are 36 meter plus 2 1s are 2 3s are. 6 3s are how much? 18 meters. So now that's all. If you'll add this all, you will get the answer. So how much it is there? 18 plus 12, how much? 18 plus 12, how much? 30. 30 plus 36, 66 meters. That's all. So the total distance traveled by a body, which is equals to 66 meters. Have you got this answer? Please kindly tell me if you are getting. Laksha, 66 meters. Others, Pradosh, what happened? Tamil Selvan, have you got the answer?
Got 66 meter.
66 meters. Solve it now. So you understand now how to solve graph sums. Very, very important. How to find the area, how to find the distance, everything. How to find the speed, acceleration. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
That's all. Solve it, solve it. All of you solve it. Completed, Ra?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So if you understand this, then we will go for a very important concept. Next one, that is derivations. So we have 3 equations of motion. Can anybody say what is the equations of motion? Anybody of you? What is the 3 equations of motion? We have already derived, correct, Ra? By mathematical, we have derived already. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, what is the equations? Can you able to say? What is the equations, sir? Tell me, are 3 equations of motion you have studied, correct? You tell me what is the equations I'm asking.
S is equal to ut plus 1 AT square.
What, Ray? S equals to ut plus half at square. Second one, yeah. First one, what? V equals to u plus at.
Is
Cannot
equal to u
remember
plus
that.
AT.
What is this, Manya? V equals to u plus at, first equation. Second equation, S equals to ut plus half at square. Next one, what, Ra? V square is
E
equals to
square is equal
square
to u square plus
square plus
2as.
2as. This is the 3 equations of motion we used to call as. Now, if you'll observe, let us see now. We already derived in mathematical way. Have you remembered? We have derived these equations with the help of mathematics. Now, with the help of graphical method, understanding means by the motion of a body in the form of representation of graph. Let us see how to derive this one. Understand? So before that, I should say one thing to you. Remember, in any kind of rectangle or square, understand, This side means this side, means opposite sides are equal, as we know that. Suppose, let me imagine this is AB and this is CD. Remember, AB is parallel to CD, means in the sense of, in place of AB, I can write as what, Ra? I can write as what? CD.
AB.
Understand? Yeah, as well as suppose AC is parallel to BD, means in the sense of, in place of AC, can I write BD? I can write it or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, that you should remember. So if you'll remember this and if you'll understand this, then for our today's class, I will teach you how to derive the equations of motion by graphical method. So all of you keep heading. To derive the equations of motion, to derive equations of motion, equations of motion by graphical method. By graphical method. Graphical Ra. Now onwards, everything with the help of graphical method. So let us go. Shall we derive it now? Yeah. So now observe in our textbook and you tell me, or else last class I have taught you body is already having some initial velocity. From there it is uniform velocity. Have you noticed it? Body is already having some initial velocity and it is later onwards it is going uniform acceleration. Do you have that graph? Please check your notebook. I have taught you that. Like area of a trapezium. Have you remembered or not? Tell me, yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So with the help of that same graph, which is located in our textbook also, you check your textbook. I don't know exactly. I'm not remember the page number, but with the help of the same graph only, we people are going to derive all the three equations of motion. So let us take, as we know that x-axis who will be there, Ra? X-axis who will be there? Time. Is it yes or no?
Time.
And y-axis who will be there? Y-axis who will be there?
Distance.
Distance. Ready?
Distance.
Distance in there.
Velocity.
Speed or velocity will be. Now, body is already having some initial velocity. So initial velocity is already having, so that you little bit highlight it. Already body is having initial velocity. That initial velocity is known as OA. So OA is called as initial velocity. So how I can represent, what is the symbol of initial velocity? What is the symbol of initial velocity?
U.
What is the
U.
initial of initial velocity? Symbol of initial velocity?
Sir.
U. Is it yes or no? U. Now, body from there it is increasing acceleration, uniform acceleration. So this is my graph. So body finally reaches to B position. Understand? So O to A, it is already having some initial velocity. From there it is continuously increasing. So that is only called as uniform acceleration. Now, body is reaches to B. So from that point, if I'll extend downwards to the x-axis, then that is called as what? Final velocity. Is it yes or no? That is called as what? Final velocity. Is it yes or no? Tell me, yaar.
Yes, sir.
And that point, let
Yes,
me
sir.
assume, that point is C. That point is known as, let me assume C. Now, the same thing if we'll extend into the y-axis, just for line representation. Let me imagine that point is E. That point is E. Is it yes or no, Ra?
Yes, sir.
Now, from A to, if I'll strike like this, if I'll extend, then it is going to cut the BC line at some particular point. So let me imagine that point is D. Do you understand what I'm doing? That point is known as
Yes,
D.
sir.
Yeah. So now if you'll observe, this point is known as D and this is the final velocity. So now with the help of this only, we are going to derive the first equation of motion. This is my graph. So all of you keep heading. To derive the equations of motion by a graphical method, what is the first equation, Ra? What is the first equation?
E is equal to U
U
plus
plus
80.
80. So what you will keep
Please
heading means, yeah, all of you keep heading. Understanding? First one, to derive V equals to U plus 80. V equals to U plus 80 by graphical method. By graphical method. All of you keep heading. By graphical method. To derive V equals to U plus 80 by graphical method. All of you keep that heading. Have you kept that heading? Have you kept that heading or not?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Draw this graph perfectly. All of you draw this graph perfectly. And initial velocity should draw with a different color. Use some black or red color if you have, and just you highlight it, because to easily identify. Already body is having initial velocity, so that initial velocity is equals to u. So that initial velocity represented by what? From the graph you tell me. Initial velocity is represented by what?
OA.
OA. Like that final velocity represented by
CB.
BC or CB. Understand? BC or CB. That's all. Now, what is the time represented? Time. Time represented. OC. OC. Now OC is parallel to whom? OC is parallel to whom? OC is parallel to AD. Means in the sense of AD is equals to also time. Is it yes or no?
Yes, sir.
As well as OA is parallel to. OA is parallel to.
OD, sir.
OD illera, CD ra. This is C ra, Pradosh.
CD, sir. CD, sir.
TD. So that is also equals to initial velocity. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now, if you understand this, then with the help of this only, we are going to derive the everything. So now let us assume this is my graph. From this, let me write the first one. Now, you tell me what is the initial velocity of the body? Initial velocity of the body.
OA, sir.
Initial velocity of the body which is u is equals to OA. Is it yes or no? Is it yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Let us assume this is equation number 1. As well as same final velocity. Tell me what is the final velocity of the body? What is the final velocity of the body? Final velocity of the body, v is equals to what is that? Final velocity, v is equals to BC. Let me imagine this is equation number 2. Now, same way you tell me. From the graph, if you'll observe very carefully, suppose you see from mathematics, you can say, this is my line AC, middle point is B. Now, AC is equals to, can I write? AC is equals to, can I write? AB plus BC. Can I write it or not? Can I write
Yes,
it or
sir.
not? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now you tell
Yes,
me.
sir.
Yeah. Same way, if you'll observe in this graph, understand? From the graph, if you'll observe, but from the graph, if you'll observe, BC is equals to, same way you see how I have taught line. BC is equals to, it is sum of what? BC is equals to, it is sum of what?
BD.
BD.
plus
Others also, everybody try to represent, try to respond.
DC.
BD plus
DC.
DC or
DC.
CD. Is it correct or not? DC. Understand or not?
Yes, sir.
Now,
Yes,
let us
sir.
imagine now, this is equation number 3. Till here you completed, all of you. All of you complete it. Now, if you observe, BC is equals to what? As we know that from equation 1 and 2, BC is equals to what?
V.
BC is equals to what?
V.
See, BC is equals to what, Amma? BC is equals to what? From the first equation you observe. BC is equals to velocity V. Understand? So let me substitute it now. From the graph, as we know that, therefore, you can write.
V is equal
Therefore,
to
yeah,
BD
therefore, V is equals to BD plus
plus
DC.
AO.
DC is equals to what? AO. Is it yes or no?
AO. Yes, sir.
So I can write DC in the place of DC, I can write OA because DC is parallel to OA. Is it yes or no? DC is parallel to OA. So instead of OA, what I can write? V is equals to
Is
BD
equal to
plus
BD plus U.
BD plus U. Is it yes or no?
Yes, sir.
That's all. So BD plus U, you can write, this is equation number 4. All of you write it till here. Any doubt, anybody, you can ask me. All of you do it fast. Till here, any doubt, anybody? Manya, Laksha, Monish?
No, sir.
Solve it. If you'll speak, then only you can solve in exam also. Very most important derivations. Definitely one derivation will come. And this is the derivations which will come in every year from now. Clear? Any doubt, anybody? Now see, what is our equation? V equals to U plus AT. Now we've got V and U, but BD only we want to change it. Is it yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now let us see how to calculate this one. Can anybody say what is the acceleration of this graph? Acceleration of this graph. From acceleration, we can calculate BD. So what is the acceleration of this graph? Can anybody say? Acceleration equals to what I said, slope. Slope will give you the acceleration. Can you able to say what is this acceleration of this graph? Nobody. So till here you do it. I am erasing. Only I will keep this equation. I will erase this one. Understand? Because I don't have space.
Sir, BD is the acceleration.
Ma, BD is not the acceleration. What is the acceleration of this one? You tell me. This graph. I have taught you already. What is the acceleration of this graph? Acceleration, how to find? Acceleration is equals to rate of change of velocity divided by time taken. But here, slope of this graph. What is the slope of this graph? This is only acceleration, correct? So what is the slope of this graph? From acceleration, you can see. From the graph, acceleration is equals to what? Tell me, yaar. See your notebooks and tell me. Acceleration is equals to BD divided by AD. Is it yes or no? BD divided by AD. Will you accept it? All of you.
Yes, sir.
Arey, this is
Yes,
only
sir.
slope, correct? This is only called as slope. This side divided by this side is only the slope of that graph. Is it yes or no? I have taught you, correct?
Yes, sir.
Now, you observe very carefully. Acceleration is equals to, we want BD, not BC. BC means we know that it is what? Final velocity. Yes or no, Ra? BC means final
Sir.
velocity. But BD we don't know. BD we don't know. But so that we want BD only, I will write BD. So now BD,
BD is
divided
equal
by,
to 80.
yeah. AD means what, Ra? AD is parallel to OC. Means in the sense of what? AD means in the sense of what? AD is parallel to OC. Is it correct or not? Because AD is parallel to OC. So OC is equals to what? A is equals to BD divided by. OC is equals to what, man? This and this are parallel, correct? OC is equals to what?
Time, sir.
Time, that's all. So now from this you observe T will come this side. We want BD. So BD is equals to, can I write 80? Can I write 80? So let me imagine this is equal to, that's all. Till here you solve it. BD is equals to 80. Solve it. Any doubt, anybody, you ask me. Clear? Yes or no? Samaya?
Yes, sir.
Is it easy or difficulty? Very easy, correct. That is why I taught you how the graphical representation of motion. Slope, always acceleration will give you, this slope of this one will give you acceleration. Distance, area of this one will give you the distance. Understand, Ra?
Sir.
That's all.
Yes, sir.
Now, substitute equation 5 in equation 4. What will come? Instead of BD, you can substitute 80. That's all. So here I will go for substitution. Substitute, right? Substitute equation 5 in equation 4. Substitute equation 5 in equation 4. What will come, Ra? V is equals to AT plus V. AT plus U. Is it yes or no? And if we'll rearrange, 1 plus 2 or 2 plus 1 is same. So V is equals to U plus AT. Is it equals to or not? Both are same or not?
Yes, sir.
That's all. So that is only our first equation. Is it yes or no? V equals to AT plus U or V equals to U plus AT. Both are same or not?
Yes, sir.
So this is the first equation of motion. It has been derived by the which method, Ra? Graphical method. Is it difficulty for you? Is it difficult?
No, sir.
That's all. If you have done this, then you will get the answer. Mahalakshmi, understand Mahalakshmi? Alana, at least say yes or no. Mavanish, you understand how to derive this? Finding slope is only matter. Remaining all very easy. Completed or not?
Yes, sir.
That's all. Derive all of you. Now once again see from first. If any doubt, anybody, you ask me please kindly. Kindly ask me anybody. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So now shall we go for second equation? Others also respond. Laksha, any doubt, Laksha? Pradosh? Mamanish, no response. Tamil Selvan also no response. If we'll solve this, then we'll go for second equation. So what is our second equation? Tell me second equation. What is our second equation?
S is equal to ut plus
Half
1
80.
by 2 at square.
1 by 2, not half. Half. HCl of half. Now, shall we go for derivation? Observe very carefully. Very, very simple. Ra. Second equation is even most simple equation. So again, keep heading. Question number 2. Understanding. Derive. Yes, to derive S equals to ut plus half at square. Half at square. By which method, Ra? By graphical method.
Graphical method.
That's all. Keep heading. First, all of you keep heading. Later only we'll start. Now, shall we start? If you are ready, I will start.
Yes, sir.
Now, so as we know that one simple logic I will say.
Sir.
Second one, if you want to derive, very, very easy. Ra. So what you people will do means nothing. Just you do it like in the sense of find the area of this rectangle. If you'll observe here, OACD is the one rectangle. Is it yes or no? OACD is the one rectangle as well as ABD is one triangle. Is it yes or no?
Yes, sir.
That's all. So if we find the
Yes, sir.
area of this rectangle plus area of this triangle, area of this rectangle plus area of this triangle, you will get the answer. That's all. Ra. Nothing is there. Understanding? So let us see now how we can solve it. So first one, all of you calculate area of this rectangle. Distance traveled is equals to, our question is what? Distance traveled. So distance traveled is equals to, right, first all of you. Second equation, distance traveled is equals to, observe very carefully, understanding, it is equals to what, Ra? Sum of the area of the rectangle plus sum of the area of this triangle. Is it okay or not, all of you? Yes or no?
Sir.
Now
Yes,
you
sir.
see. So how it will come?
Sir.
So distance traveled is equals to, tell me, what is the area of the rectangle?
Area
Area of figure,
Of a
understand? Tell me, area of rectangle,
OABC.
area of rectangle OA, OAC, OADC or OADC you can take. OADC
OADC.
plus area of a triangle.
Sir, distance traveled figure.
Distance traveled equals to area of rectangle OADC plus area of a triangle. Area of a triangle. What is the triangle?
ABD.
ABD. That's all. So till here, any doubt? Anybody who ask me? Any doubt?
No, sir.
No.
Sir.
I will teach you one thing. Area of a rectangle you people can calculate very easily. Is it yes or no? Area of a rectangle you can
Yes, sir.
calculate it or not? As well as area of a triangle also. Let us try now. Area of a triangle we should calculate. So let us go for calculation now. So how to solve it? You see it now. So for example, let me calculate now. Area of a rectangle. What is the formula? Tell me, Ra. Area of a rectangle. Distance traveled S is equals to area of a rectangle. What? OA into OC. Is it correct or not? OA into OC plus area of a triangle. What will come? 1 by 2 into. Sollungappa. Area of a rectangle. OA into OC. That's all correct. Length into breadth will give you area. Next, half into base equals to how much? Base equals to AD. Understanding? Into height equals to BD. So BD is equals to what? BD is equals to what here?
AE.
AE. That you should remember. BD is equals to AE. Understanding? That you should know it. Understand? So now let us go for substitution. All of you. You can easily finish it. Shall we start now? Shall we start?
Yes,
Now,
sir.
S is equals to, directly you see. OA is equals to what, Ra? OA is equals to what? OA is equals to what? U. Yes or no, Ra? Into. OA is equals to what?
No, sir.
OA is equals to U into. OC is equals to what, Ra? OC is equals to
OC is equal to
T.
T, UT
T, sir.
plus half
UT.
into AD. AD is equals to what? AD is equals to
AD is
OC.
equal
In the
to
sense
T,
of what?
sir. T.
AD is equals to what? T into BD is
sir.
equals to, from last equation we have
BD
derived
is
already.